In this video, we are setting up a very simple and practical container vegetable garden that anyone can make at home. You can use grow bags, buckets, or any big pots you already have lying around. The special thing about this setup is that it has its own small composting system inside, so all the nutrients from your kitchen waste go straight to the roots of your plants. It's easy, low cost, and works really well. So let's start the process. We had some drainage pipe pieces left from a project back home, so we are using those. These pipes will become our composting chambers. If you don't have a pipe, no problem at all. You can use a large plastic bottle instead, and it will do the same job. First thing we need to do is make holes all around the pipe. Make sure the holes are big enough so water and nutrients can move into the soil, but not so big that all the waste falls out. Now we prepare our soil mix. For this kind of container garden, we keep it simple and effective. We mix around 60% garden soil with 40% good compost. This mix gives a nice balance of structure and nutrients, and it also holds moisture well. Mix everything properly so the compost is evenly spread. Now take your container. We are using grow bags here. First, add some soil mix at the bottom of the bag. This layer will help us fix the pipe in place. Now place the pipe inside the bag, but don't put it right in the center. Keep it a little to one side. This way, your plants will get more open space on the other side to grow their roots nicely. Also make sure that the top part of the pipe stays above the soil level. This is important because later we will add kitchen waste and water from the top. Once the pipe is in position, start filling the rest of the grow bag with your soil mix. Add the soil slowly and press it lightly around the pipe so it stays stable. Fill the bag nicely up to the top. Now you can see our setup is ready. The pipe is fixed and the bag is filled properly with soil. Next step is to start the composting part. Take your kitchen waste like vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and other biodegradable leftovers and put them inside the pipe. Fill the pipe almost to the top. At the end, add a small layer of compost on top of the waste. This helps to start the breakdown process faster because compost already has good microbes in it. Now we can plant our seedlings. In this bag, we are planting tomato plants, but you can plant whatever you like chilies or any seasonal vegetables. Plant them in the open soil area beside the pipe. Give them enough space so they can grow well and spread out. After planting, we will do mulching. Cover the top of the soil with dry leaves, straw, or any mulch material you have. Also, cover the top of the compost pipe lightly. This helps to keep moisture inside, control temperature, and very important, it prevents flies and mosquitoes from getting attracted to the compost. But still, rainwater can go through and reach inside. Now, final step is watering. Give water to your plants as usual and also pour some water directly into the pipe. This will activate the composting process. The microbes will start breaking down the kitchen waste and slowly release nutrient-rich liquid into the soil through the holes in the pipe. Your plant roots will take these nutrients directly, which helps in strong growth and better harvest. If you want to see how this system performs after some days and how the plants grow, then stay connected and keep watching the updates. This small setup can give you a really good harvest even in a limited space, and once you try it, you will definitely want to make more like this at home.